Hello? Hey, what's up, guys? This is my first time playing from Canada, so I don't know if I've got a good, how my connection is or not. Um, this song called Freebird, you may or may not have ever heard this before. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? 'Cause I must be traveling on now. Too many places I've got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and this bird you cannot change. Bye bye, baby, it's been a sweet love, yeah. Though these feelings I can't change.